My name is Pat O'Donnell. I come from Donegal. I am, you know, a most dangerous foe to traitors one and all.
Jesus! Nobody knows.
James Power, the old flower.
Oh, Patrick O'Donnell. You're a devil, yeah.
Mr. O'Donnell!
What's your hurry, Robert?
Look, that's him, isn't it, Mr. O'Donnell? Mr. Power. Mr. Power's James Carey.
Can't be.
Their chai will shoot him. Kaisha garusha chenis muitur and break it Arthur fod.
And now he had changed his appearance. His beard had been shaved off.
What do you mean by informer?
The Invincibles were a shadowy revolutionary group. They were dramatically termed an assassination or a murder club.
Look for the man in the grey suit.
Caise gur siad scanraithe mar go raibh saide chuile hort fucha. Agus go raibh sacfa gur bé an bás sa socha an tarú a bheith ar abar an lei sin.
I swear before Almighty God that the evidence I shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth.
The Irish political informer was betraying a sacred cause.
I remember hearing a sudden burst of angry words.
What do you mean by informer?
You're James
And
Carey.
bloody informer. Stirring of feet and a shot just over the back of my head and I took fright.
Sean knows where a donna goni naar hjartet fine a luia a yew, mona wel te shuraltje dan raier horishin.
Sa jiru hir hal, vi Susan Gallagher taki fadal a London and i rosig dinner bi, roshi galahort finishe son fadi vi hilart.
Ta kailer an old Bailey, mar laher courte lis de Katie blianti.
This is the proof you furnished.
Yes.
He was sent to kill my dad.
We in the rest. Oh, we're with Jay. Go to do my last me. Go saula to me, gachela all. Saula to me, their animal was car. Bird in an annualness me on Gia Rome, I guess Gia Long.
Ní hílam go néir chahéin gur lia a bhíon. Tógu an mitas agus an cult se háartar bruniú liach dó. Gré rinne far a tógu sa réaltar tógu le Gaeilge agus trin faltar sin na waru, brun se gríomhar san na tíre, agus bhí se cosla na liachra, bhí se mar tón, bhí se mar emmet, bhí se mar duine den na fianna acuan.
And the traitor tried to take my life on board the ship Mel.